Guys, my dashboard is a Christmas tree right now. So many lights. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, guys, we're actually going to, I'm gonna say the name wrong, it's like Kodawari or something like that, but it's a little open house car show, so car meet I should say. We're gonna go down there and we're gonna see exactly what's gonna go on. They have some nice JDM cars. I know they have like an NSX, you know, an Evo, and a couple other cool cars around there. So we're gonna go to this pop-up, this open house, and see exactly what happens. Right now I'm about to head to the gas station and clean this car because it is absolutely atrociously dirty right now. And we're also meeting up our one other homie that you guys have never seen on the channel, but he has a Miata. He used to have a Mazda 3 before, but now he recently got Miata not too long, and it's like the newer ones. I think it's like the ND or whatever you want to call it. They're basically the newest ones that are out right now. Looks pretty dang sick, so I'm definitely gonna show it to you guys once I make it there. If you guys are cool with that and down with that, be sure to smash that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll pick up at the camera once I reach the car wash. And sheesh, guys, made it to the car wash. The boy isn't here yet, the homie isn't here yet, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this car while I'm waiting. Look at this. The wrap got some holes in it thanks to rock chips. But since it's wrap and I have so much of this, I can just rewrap this. So car is so dirty. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, bro. Wheels are dirty too. And you guys already know how pain it is to keep white wheels clean. So let's just go ahead. Let me just go ahead and clean this thing off. That thing is crazy though. Jeez. I didn't know you bagged it. That's crazy, man. You already got that camber going on too.
Yeah, a little bit of natural camber, not crazy.
Jeez. It's sick, man. These Miatas are actually nice. I like them.
Oh yeah, bro. When done nicely done, like yeah, they're fucking cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
These new ones are not bad too. I heard that they make like 400 easy. These new like VB. Damn. The Nismo up in there, an intercooler. Jeez. This thing is beautiful, dude. Ho 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 ho. Jeez, look at this ND.
Yeah, with the
yo. That's actually fire, man. TE's on there. Yo. S15 with the. Oh, it's not that one. Oh, I seen this one before. This one's actually fire, bro. Jeez, 350. Got the Challenger. Damn. I wonder if this is like a FD2 or not. Except for one though, it's actually fire, bro. Thought maybe it was like a Type R one or something, but even still, this thing is fire too. Got a black Type R here with the white wheels. They got a 370 right there as well, but yo. That S15, dude. I want one of those. Right-hand drive too. They got the blue seats in there. M2. We got that half wrap going on. God damn. That EK is clean. Jeez. Is it one of this guys your EKs?
No, it's not.
No? This thing is nice, dude. The harness bar in the back. Got the extended shifter. Oh, he got the Prisma seats in there too. Sheesh, the Nardo gray thing is clean too. Woo. Got a little carbon extension on it too. God damn. How does it feel to be a baller, bro? That's Jason's dang FRS. Sheesh. I knew him when he just had like it black with just like fender, the wide body on it. And it was black, bro. I love this color too. This color is so damn nice, especially in the sun. It's so clean. Ooh, those seats are nice. Black and red. Those look nice. That wrap is nice, eh? What's going on?
How you been, bro? Chilling.
You came out? You didn't even tell me about this one, you dang.
Bro, I tell you about all the other ones.
I need one so bad.
What?
An NSX, dog. I have to get one of these. Like the first JDM car, I have to get one of these as the first. It's a must. These are just so damn beautiful. Look how small. Like, these things are low. One day, guys, you hear me? One day we're gonna get one of these, bruh. E92 M3 Recaro seats. Got the baby thing in there, baby seat in the back. Imagine being a baby cruising in a dang M3. Jeez. The Z4. You don't really see these ones, right? Because most people like buy the Supra more or something, but these are still nice cars as well. A90. R35, damn.
Camel from
Got, you got that camo. Telly. Yo, look at the concave of those wheels.
Fuck.
God damn. Nah, this thing is nice. The cheat codes of the racing world, bro. R35s. Bikes over here. Holy. These, man, I don't know if I can try those, man. Bikes.
Yeah.
Let's check out the inside. Jeez. Is that a Type R? Yeah. Rega Master. No, this is still the FK8, but.
Oh, Rega Master.
Jeez, no, those are expensive, bro. The Rega Masters, to get a set of those, holy hell. Then you got this one over here that's just being worked on or under construction. Look at these wheels. Look at the what wheels? Look at these seats. Has the Nürburgring thing on it too, Nürburgring logo. God damn. Nah, I need something rear wheel drive though. Have to. Oh my gosh, man.
When I walked past you earlier, I was like, oh, that's the price of my car.
I know, that's the price of our cars right there. Yeah. If we take these wheels, we can buy ourselves a whole another car. Wait, what? Hold on, where's the Type R seats though? I just noticed that. Oh, this is not even a Type R. Actually, I think this is actually an SI, I think, right? Right? I don't think this is a Type R. It looks like it's a SI.
What?
This.
No, it's a Type R.
Is it?
Yes.
But where's like the wide fenders?
Huh?
Where's the fenders? And the seats?
Maybe we change everything up.
It doesn't have Brembos. Oh, so it probably is a base then, huh?
Does SIs have econ buttons? I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Okay, so then, but I mean, it's still sick though, but...
And those are the smallest brakes ever.
Yeah, so okay, I thought it was a Type R. It isn't. It's still really clean, like, damn. The perfect daily. Daily, you can take it to the track, and the wheels cost more than my car, so this one's a Type R because it has the actual Type R badge right there. I didn't even know this was a Datsun. This thing is mint.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up? Woo. These guys must have done like what, a full restoration on this thing or what? Holy snap. This is goals though, to have a shop like this and just like work on your cars and stuff, that is a vibe. Oh my god, look at this shop. Got upstairs, like hang out. Bro, I'd love to have something like this, like a garage, have the Soul in here, the Speed, NSX. It's a vibe, bro. All right, let's go in here and see what's going on in the office. Gee, even like a little food area. Damn, okay. McLaren F1, EK9, FD2, LFA 886. See, got the racing helmets up in here, stickers, Porsche. See, two Supras, F40. Damn, oh, this is fire, bro. Can't get over this though. I need, like, this is the first JDM car I want. Like, I don't care. I don't want the R34 yet. Don't want the FD yet. This is what I have to have first.
The best part is he rides it.
Yeah. Celica Supra, man. The Elantra N. Got the baby seat in the back too. The seats are nice in these though.
These are fun cars to drive.
They are. They're really fun. It's just that they're ugly.
It's only...
Sheesh. is beautiful, man.
Full Ferrari.
It's a Honda, that's for sure. Oh no, and yellow too. Let's go. Another yellow. See. And just a Corolla. A GR. That's a GR now. The black looks nice. JDM West. Yeah, JDM West thing. Car over here with the wrap. Bagged as well. Fenders. Carbon. Hood carbon.
Doors are so big.
Looks good. M4. This wrap is nice. A90. Got this. Ooh, 2-door Subi, man. 2.5 RS. These are nice as well. C4 Vet. Don't see those often either. GR Corolla. GR Corolla. Another GR Corolla. And then the Speed. Gosh damn. Oh man. This is a dream. Oh man. These seats are amazing too. So how long have you owned this car actually?
5 years.
Oh my god. I would never get rid of it. And you drive this everywhere, huh?
Probably over 10K this season, man.
Oh my god. That's amazing. Never stop driving this car. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This thing is unreal. Oh my god. Unreal. Literally lives up to the hype for sure. 100%.
You know when they say you meet your heroes, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I think I have to get one of these, man. I don't care how. I gotta work to get one of these things, man. This is insane.
I don't think a lot of people really understand how special this car is.
That's the thing, man.
Stock
Like
motor, man. The motor.
Stock motor.
Yeah, it's just a Type R transmission.
Oh,
we built this
my
car
gosh.
following the same philosophy as the Type R, right? So a lot of focus on balancing what the foundation already is. And like there's just what you need and nothing more.
Exactly. It's just enough.
You're only supposed to do one thing when you're in this car. It's either sharing it with someone like we're doing right now, or like just driving it.
Absolutely, man.
The world just melts away.
The Type R feels good too.
No, I'm talking about the NSXR.
Oh, the NSXR.
Yeah,
okay.
like the real NSXR that is only available in Japan.
Oh my goodness.
Like their refinement was like this. So our build was in pursuit of their their aim of this car. That's why it has a Type R gear set. It has all the Type R suspension, chassis reinforcement.
Right.
We had a polycarbonate patch, like 200 pounds off of the car. And that's it, man. I put like 40,000 hard kilometers on here. And well, you know Honda, you take care care of the maintenance.
they run forever, man.
I did 12 hours in this car in one day, and I didn't even like break a sweat. Because these seats, like, they fit me well, and the ergonomics of the car. Other exotic car at the time, you had to sacrifice driver comfort.
Right, exactly.
To quote unquote experience what a supercar should feel like. Honda was like, no, not only are we gonna make it reliable, but we're gonna make it ergonomically positioned in a way where you want to drive it all the fucking time. You can take it wherever, and they've done it, man. I've put so many kilometers on this car this year, and I've never ever gotten out of it where I was like, oh man, like I don't want to get back into it.
Again, man, I gotta thank you, dude. That's a pleasure. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, guys, I don't think I can explain just how amazing these stuff feel, bro. Holy hell, I need one. Like, I'm not even joking, guys. I need one. You guys already know I love NSXs, bro. After that drive, I don't care how hard I have to grind, I am gonna get one of these things, and I'm gonna bring it back here and park my NSX alongside his one. What a way to end off the night. Not even joking. Again, huge shout out to the owner of this place for giving me an amazing drive, an experience, definitely a memory of a lifetime, to experience why they call the NSX a JDM legend. And now I totally get it. And now we finally head back home in the Speed 3. Check it out, BRZ right there. That was probably the best, most memorable car experience I probably have ever gotten in my life. We know that the NSX is a JDM legend. We all know that. Same with like R34, you know, the Supra and all of them. But there's something about when you experience one of these cars, and experiencing the NSX, you start to really understand why that car has that price tag, and also why that car is considered a JDM legend, because the feeling that you get in that car is absolutely undescribable. That was an experience that honestly I didn't ever think would even happen. To be inside of an NSX, an actual JDM legend, that's something I can check off the list. That's crazy. Awesome experience. Couldn't be happier. Definitely something I'll remember for years to come. But I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. Definitely a surprising one. This was not planned. This was just random. I didn't even know about this meet. It's my buddy that last minute told me about it, and this whole POV getting to ride along with an NSX, totally unplanned for. But yeah, man, God is good. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, we're on that road to get an NSX someday. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.